Hello guys and welcome back to another video of
Twin Magic.
In this video again we're going to show you a really good and amazing self-working card magic trick
That it's so easy and you don't need any practice, any skills for doing this trick, and you just need a little
setup, a very small setup, but it's as always it's so great and you can fool anyone. So yeah, as always this is the performance and then we will show you the tutorial.
So let's start the performance of it. As always, we start to shuffle them. You can shuffle them as many times as you want.
It's so important. Yeah, this is the last shuffle. So right now we will make a prediction, and so yeah, we'll turn our deck into back of the camera, but we will not change anything. It just we will make a prediction. So yeah, we'll do it very quickly and short. Yeah, this is our prediction. So yeah, right now
Let me just put the prediction right here, and then yeah, right now we should divide the deck into 3 piles. So they should be like each other. One, the first one, the second one, and the third one.
of course you can do this. The spectator can do this. This is because we don't have any spectator right now, so
Yeah, we will do it by ourselves. So right now we just reveal the top card of each pile.
so the first one is four of diamonds.
Let me just select that. The first one is 4 of diamonds, the second one is 7 of hearts,
And the last one is five of clubs. So right now we'll grab the first pile.
and look at the top card, the number of the top card. What was it? It is 4 of 4. So we count 4 cards: 1, 2, 3, 4, and when we got to the fifth card, we put one here, and sixth card we put one here, and then we put the rest of it here.
Again we do this with the rest of the piles. Like for the 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one here, one here. And for the last one, for the fifth, 5, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one card here and one card here. So like this.
Now we'll reveal our prediction. So let's see, what was it? It was Ace of Spades. So what does this Ace of Spades related? We mean that. So why we need this Ace of Spades?
Right now we will reveal these first
The top card of each pile. So we'll also reveal this one is Ace of Clubs.
the second one, ace of hearts, and the last one, ace of diamonds.
So everything was random. We shuffled it at first, and then yeah, everything was random. This could be any card, any numbers. So yeah, without getting anywhere, let's see the performance of it.
Okay, for the tutorial you just need 1 5. This 5 is so important, and it should always be 5. It's not the suit is not important, like this 5 of clubs, and 3 random cards, like yeah, 2, 7 and 4, and we put it on the 5,
And then you grab the aces
except the ace of spades,
because we need that for the prediction.
and we put it on the others. And right now
When we made the setup, we can put this in the middle of the deck, so it can be normal, and the spectator won't notice anything.
okay, see it should be like this. These 3 cards, it's not important, but this 5 is so important, and these 3 aces should be like this. And we put it on the deck.
And right now, everything is just self-working. You just need to follow the things that we did in the performance. First, we search for the Ace of Spades.
And actually, yeah, for the first, you have to do a fake shuffle, and it's so easy. You just let show you.
A fake shuffle, like a refill shuffle. When we got to the last card, let me put. So, we just release them together. So yeah, then again, if we show you the top cards, they are like, you know, each other, and this one should be here. So yeah, this is a fake shuffle. So right now again, we will go through the deck and find the
Ace of clubs, and we will.
sorry, ace of spades.
And this will be our
Prediction. And yeah, we can show it to the spectator at first, but you know, if we don't show it, it's better and it's cooler. So yeah, we just need to divide the deck into 3 piles. The spectator can do this too, it's not important.
And right now, when we reveal the first cards, the top cards, here it's king, 6, and 5. Always 5 is in this position.
We mean it's in the right pile. If it wasn't, be sure that you had, you know, you are doing something wrong.
And yeah, for right now, this is just, you have to do what we did. Right now, it's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and like this.
Well, if it was not a number like that, it was a, you know, face card, you can tell the sucker, do you want me to, you know, think that this is a 10 or it's a 12? They can say 10 or 12, that's not important.
Our cards, it's law, and we will tell, yeah, 10. It's not important.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, one here, one here, and the next one is 5 again. So 1 2 3 4 5, so one here and one here, and put the rest of it here.
And now, yeah, when we show the first cards, they are aces.
Well, right now we did it in a different way. Well, you can at first show the prediction and then show the top cards, or you can just show the top cards at first and then show the, you know,
The prediction. It's not important, and yeah, this is a prediction.
So this was a rig. We hope that you like and you enjoy it.
So please like, share, and
Subscribe to our channel.
we'll see you in our next videos.
Have a nice day.
And goodbye.